my loves, in today's video, we will going to have channeled some advice from your angels and guides. And before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, meron tayong mga crafts, kagaya po niyan. Ayan, ito po yung ating pinaka latest na Evil Eye. Return to sender po siya with black tourmaline na nandyan, okay? So, let's see the energy first. Sino ba ang nangangailangan nito? Okay. Tingnan natin. Oh, Gemini or Earth sign. Kung ikaw ay Gemini or Earth sign, this is for you. Kung ikaw din ay Aquarius, this is for you. So, more on Earth sign. And if ever, kung ikaw din ay maraming iniisip right now, maraming ideas right now, if you are a Capricorn, this is for you. And if you are a Taurus, okay, so earth sign and air sign. Okay, so I feel na dito, my loves, marami kang iniisip about your, sabihin natin, status. Your angels and guides wants you to know na be patient, okay, with this card. Be patient with this card. You will going to get what you need. And eto, meron dito kasing obsession of power. Meron dito, kaya nga, di ba, kanina lumitaw dito yung sabihin nating maraming mapasok sa isipan mo, sa ideas mo. And maybe yung mga ideas na yan ay may kinalaman sa yung mga stability, kasi nandito ang earth signs, lumitaw ang earth signs. Many thoughts about, or sabihin nating many words na lumilitaw, tumatakbo dyan sa isip mo, and nagkakaroon ka ng obsession when it comes to that matter. Okay, so one thing is for sure, your angels and guides wants you to be patient about kung ano man yung mga ideas mo na para kasi nagkakasabay-sabay yung ideas mo dito, gusto mong i-execute, gusto mong gawin lahat. You will going to have success basta makinig ka lang sa advice ni angels and guides. Be patient, okay? You will going to get what you need. And also, dito kasi marami kang ideas puro ka isip, marami kang iniisip about your future, about your stability, pero nandun ba yung pagiging responsible? Okay? Become a person of power in your own, sabihin natin, in your own path. Okay? So, nandyan, maaaring, sabihin natin, marami kang idea, marami kang iniisip, pero dapat maging responsible ka din. Are you consistently enough to showing up dito sa mga ideas na to, yung mga nasa isip na to? Kasi parang masyado ka nagmamadali. Pero ang tanong, are you consistently showing up for this, sabihin natin, goal? Okay. So, kumbaga, marami kang ideas, marami kang iniisip, di ba? Pero ang tanong doon, lahat ba yun ay kaya mong responsible ka ba doon? Kumbaga, kaya mo bang pangatawanan lahat ng yun? Kaya mo bang, sabihin natin, panindigan? Kaya mo ba siyang pangatawanan? And I also feel na dito, hindi lang patient ang kailangan. Kailangan mo din mag-sweat. Kailangan mong mag-grind para dito sa mga ideas na pumapasok sa isipan ninyo. Okay. So, with this card, develop your foresight. Kumbaga, i-manage mo yung thoughts mo with this Mercury card. Develop your foresight. You have to, sabihin natin, reasonable. And also, I also hear na, di ba marami kang words na lumilitaw dyan sa isipan mo. And sabihin natin, andyan na nga yung obsession mo with this. Pero, you also, sabihin natin, have to stretch your limits. Stretch the limits of imagination. Okay, lumitaw dito talaga yung imagination, ideas. Lumitaw dito yung imagination, ideas, marami kang iniisip. Point your heart toward grace. Okay, deepen your perspective. Ito na yung kumbaga, deepen your perspective, strengthen your limits about your imagination. Kumbaga, marami kang iniisip pero lahat yan na ay mabababaw. Sabihin natin na parang puro gusto mo lang siyang gawin pero nasan ba talaga? Nasan ba talaga yung heart mo? Nasaan ba talaga yung sabihin natin focus mo? Nasan ba talaga yung willing mong paghirapan? Okay, develop your foresight, lalo na kumbaga paghandaan mo din siya kung kaya mo ba talaga. Kung kaya mo ba talaga yung once na dumating na itong mga ideas na to, once na na-actualize mo na yung mga idea yang to. So like for example, ito naghahangad ka halimbawa ng fame and recognition, and ang tanong, pag ba dumating sa life mo yun, ay kaya mo siyang pangatawanan, kaya mo ba siyang i-handle? Okay? And isa pa, halimbawa, ikaw ay nagmamanifest, marami kang ideas about your business. Ang tanong, pag ba lahat ng mga ideas na yan nag-exist, kaya mo ba siyang i-handle? Kaya mo ba siyang pagpaguran? Kaya mo ba silang i-handle lahat once na nandyan na? Okay, focus, deepen there's no such a bad thing about imagination, pero kailangan nandun yung heart mo, and you have to deepen your perspective about that. Kumbaga, kaya mo ba siyang hawakan? Kaya mo bang maging responsible dyan sa mga bagay na minimithi mo? Okay. So, let's see more card to deepen this advice from your angels and guides. Ayan. Okay, choices and opportunity are coming your way. Hindi mo kailangang mag-isip ng sabihin natin ng kung ano-anong ideas na mabababaw or shallow. So, may kinalaman din yan. Kumbaga, your angels and guides are telling you, you have your team. Kung wala ka mang nag-exist na team ngayon, maybe sila gusto nilang iparamdam yon. And kung naman sabihin natin meron kang mga friendship, pwede yung may kinalaman, makakatulong sila. But ito, sabihin natin, most of my collectives na para sa kanilang message na to are feminine energy na maraming gustong gawin sa buhay. Okay? Maraming gustong gawin about their career, about their stability. And eto na nga, lumitaw din dito yung feminine figure, the lady. And dito, may tendency na sabihin natin, most of your friends na babae ay makakatulong sa'yo para ma-execute mo itong ideas na to. Maraming opportunity, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa'yo, decision making, maraming chances na ibibigay sa'yo si universe. And eto, kailangan mo talaga ng resilience dito with this anchor. Kailangan mo ng resilience. You have to be patient. You have to be resilient. And one thing is for sure, you are secured. Kung ano man yung mga goals mo at pinapangarap mo, that is secured with your team. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung wala kang i-consider na team, wala kang friendship, your spiritual team ang tinutukoy dito because of this butterfly. Spirits wants you to know na they are here. And you also need to have a leap of faith. Kailangan mo yan. Kailangan mo rin, magtiwala ka sa kanila, sa yung team, sa kinoconsider mong team. You have to trust them. And kung ikaw ay sabihin natin, sa dami-dami na pumapasok na idea mo, hindi mo na alam kung ano-ano doon yung talagang i-execute mo or uunahin. Okay? Parang naguguluhan ka na rin with this Mercury card. Many thoughts. Kung ang daming nanggagaling. Okay. So, nandyan ang awakening and activation if you are spiritual being. Maraming thoughts na pumapasok sa isip mo. Hindi na halos nagpapahinga ang iyong mind. Oh, napakaganda. All paths lead home. Okay? So, turn your gaze within. Dalawang path card yung lumitaw dito. Crossroad and path. Your spirits wants you to know na you are aligned once na nina-nurture mo ang iyong sarili because of this nourishment. Okay? Pero kung hindi mo na-experience yung nourishment na yun at puro ka stress, ibig sabihin, you have to focus on one thing lang. Okay? You have to water your garden. You need nourishment. You need body care right now. Take rest. Take rest, my loves, kasi masyado kang napapagod. Sabihin natin not physically, pero dito mentally eh. Dito kasi dalawang air ang lumitaw dito, the Mercury and Aquarius. Okay? Let's pull one more card. You have inner authority, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo. Meron naman, andyan yung control of your power. Di ba nabanggit natin kanina? Because you have your inner authority. Ikaw ang masusunod, pero kailangan i-manage mo yan. And don't follow. Okay. So, meron kang bagay na gustong-gusto, kaya dumadami yung mga ideas mo kasi minsan, sabihin natin, nakikibagay ka dun sa paligid mo. Na what if ito na lang, what if ganun na lang. You have to forge, you have to pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had, okay? Nabanggit ba natin kanina Aries? Kasi, kumbaga, ikaw ang dapat mag-initiate. Yung mga ideas mo na yan, kung iyan ay parang nagaya mo lang, kumbaga hindi ka para dun. Para ka sa isang bagay na sa'yo mismo nagmula. Okay? Para ka sa isang bagay na sa'yo mismo nagmula. Let's pull tarot card for this. Ayan. Waiting for your ships to sail. Be patient na naman ang lumitaw, my loves. So, andyan yung pinakahihintay mong decision making. Lilitaw. Kung ikaw ay nagdi-decision, makakapag-decision ka na kasi dalawang decision card yung lumitaw and transformation. And don't worry, my loves. The upcoming blessings for you, this channel message for you is mental clarification. Kagaya nga sinabi ko kanina, gulong-gulo yung isip mo, diba? But with this King of Swords cards, talaga magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity. And that will lead you home. Magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind dito. Magkakaroon ka ng sabihin natin, ito na naman, authority card. 3 beses na yung kanina, power card and 2 authority card, my loves. Okay. So, head over heart, andyan nga yung mental clarity and also the manifestation and grounded. Anong sabi natin kanina? Diba? Darating sa'yo ang success. Nandyan ang success. Maging more responsible lang pero nandyan ang success. Tingnan nyo naman mabuti. Success and this manifestation with Page of Pentacles. Diba? Saan ka ba? Para, kumbaga yung mental, ano mo na yan? Yung mga ideas mo na yan, di ba, para sa stability mo, para sa, sabihin natin, career. Pero andyan na, ito na, this is a confirmation card, my loves. The Page of Pentacles, the manifestations, ambitions, and gift. Okay? Andyan. Ito yung, kumbaga, blessings yung binibigay sa'yo ng iyong card. Huwag ka lang magmadali, my loves. Be patient. Naka-reserve to sa'yo. Okay, naka-reserve, my loves. Huwag kang maguluhan. Mag-focus ka sa idea na kung saan ikaw masaya ka at sabihin natin sa'yo talaga yung galing. Okay, yung ideas na to, yes, this is blessed. Kung ano man yung ideas na gusto mo, you are blessed. You are fail-proof. Sabihin natin, ano may mga ideas na ginusto mo, basta may tiwala ka sa team mo, you are fail-proof. From Lovely Clover Happiness. Napaka-lucky. Ano to? Swerteng-swerte yung card na to, my loves. And this, with this, sabi natin, bailiff na heart shape. Tingnan nyo naman. Napaka-amazing. Matagal ko nang kinikip tong, ano na to, leaf na to. More than 3 years na yata o 4 years. Diba? Napakaganda. Kasi natural siyang heart. Ayan. So dito, di ba ang bailiff natin is more on good luck and abundance, kagaya din ng ating clover. Kaya nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kung ano may mga goals na yan, you are supported, you are protected. And sabihin natin, ito ay indikasyon na blessed kung ano man yung bagay na mapagdidesisyonan mo. Wow! Okay. Endless delight all lovers will gain. Love, also, love, nandyan. Kababanggit lang natin kanina dito. And this heart words of every pain. Kung ano man yung nararanasan mo right now, kung meron ka mang pain na dinaranas right now, your angels and guides are telling you you are loved. And you are going to bless lots of love with this decision na gagawin mo, with these ideas na i-create mo. Okay, the shining clouds makes happiness. Ang daming happiness. Dalawang card na. Dito din, oh. Happiness and then happiness. And dito naman, words of everything. Okay, so focus ng pinaka-blessings and the channeled messages is you will going to be happy. If you are sad right now, dahil nga, kailangan mo ng peace of mind, darating ka din sa time na, alam mo yung masayang-masaya ka, kahit na naiintindihan mo yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo because you have peace of mind. Doon kasi magi-spark lahat once na ikaw ay masaya sa ano man ang meron ka sa paligid mo at ano man ang ginagawa mo. And yan ay sure na blessings mo na darating sa'yo because you trust your team. Okay, my loves? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.